this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a very basic GeneratePress blog, which this is a basic free version, and how you can turn that free version and this into a blog like this. So two totally different sites. So what are we going to do? But you're going to have this site here is the way it's going to be transformed. And what you need to do is you need to go to GeneratePress.com and you need to upgrade to the premium version. And when you upgrade to the premium version, you will be able to download the premium version into your back office at WordPress. Upload it as a plugin would be doing. And then what you can then do, let's just move into the dashboard version to show you what I mean, so that you've got it very, very simple. It takes so easy to do this, it's just not true. What you'll do is you're going into the appearance section, and then you're going to click on the appearance and you'll see GeneratePress. So you can click on GeneratePress and that will then bring you to what you have got, the GeneratePress options that you have. Now here is everything you need to do. What you do is you tick all that box there. Under bulk actions you'll tick activate, and that will activate all of the options that you have, as you can see in there, from typography right the way up to the background. Now when you've done that, you can then go into Site Library, and then in Site Library you have got a load of ready-made templates which, unlike other themes, will fit directly over the top of what you have got within reason. You need to do a little bit of tweaking to get it done, but it's a very simple thing to do. Now the blog that I've transformed my site into is the marketer blog, which is specifically for affiliate marketers. So what I did on this one here, which is davehayes.co, what I've done there is I've gone into my site library and I've gone down and I've chosen the marketer blog, which is this one here. And on the Dave Hayes review site, I've simply imported that blog onto here. So my site has effectively gone from looking like the very basic blog that you have here at WP Academy, which is another one of my training sites. It's gone from looking like that to looking just like that, and it's literally put a template over the top. You've had to do a little bit of tweaking, but it's no more than click and update, and that's about as simple as it gets. So that's how you take a very simple blog with GeneratePress and turn it into a professional looking website like that. And if you want to know more about that, then you can click on the link beneath this video and you can get some more information about that for your own self, delivered to your inbox. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell option. And don't forget, when you hit the bell option, to click the word all, and you get notified of every video uploaded to this channel. Thanks very much for watching.